What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Smallstead, where we help you save money on your property and find cool hacks and tricks and tips to make just homesteading and living sustainably easier and cheaper. I couldn't find any cool, not true DIY, because if this was true DIY, I would have made every single piece myself, out of PVC and stuff like that. But I couldn't find any spray rigs for your property for weeds and whatever else that was, where people would actually just show how it worked. That wasn't just highlighting a system that they already bought. I was looking to try to build something as cheap as possible. So I just decided to build my own rig out of stuff I got at garage sales, a couple parts off of Amazon, and just tried it out for the first time today. It works pretty dang good, and I'm pretty happy about it. So let me show you what I got here. Okay, here's the full overview. This is just a little trailer that hooks onto my riding mower. This was a sprayer that I got off of, I got it at a garage sale for I think it was $15. If you know what these are, you can buy them new for $150 to $200, between somewhere in there, $180. It's got a little pump on it right there that hooks to the battery on your mower. I bought this spray boom off of Amazon for $20, and I'll put a link to it. And then I just had to change the rig up. So here's the thing, this is a spot sprayer. It came with one of these wands, right? So the point is you're supposed to just drag it around and spot spray the weeds. Well, if you got bigger piece of property, it makes it a little tough to do that. It can be done, but I always wanted to build a boom system. Well, this spray wand stopped working over winter. It had some liquid left in there and it cracked. As you can see, I started it up and it just shot our stuff everywhere. So I was like, okay, let's see if we can't build this boom. I started watching YouTube videos and just could not find what I was looking for. So I just kind of thought about it and looked at it and thought about it. It's kind of what you have to do a lot of the time, is just stare at something until it works, right? But this is kind of really ugly. I'm gonna build a better frame for it, and I might even lower it down to a little bit closer to the ground. Right now it's roughly maybe a foot and a half, 18 inches off the ground. Maybe lower it down to about a foot. And so you got your boom here. Went and bought this hose for $12 and just connected it to a little ball valve. And this is what I control while I'm driving the mower. So while I'm driving, I just put the hose, because it's got to come one hose from the tank, go around, and then to the boom over there. And so this is how I control it on and off, so it's not just running continuously the whole time that I'm driving, right? Because you don't want to waste it, because that costs money, right? Yeah, that's my rig. It's really simple, and I just could not find somebody on YouTube that highlighted a video like this where it was like a self-made system. Obviously mine's not self-made. I bought the tank, I bought the boom, but all these parts are readily available, and you can find these spot sprayers like this on Marketplace or garage sales for really cheap. Like I said, I got this one for $15. I bet you I could look on Marketplace and find one for $50 or less when they sell for over $100, definitely over $120 new. And then if you wanted to buy an actual boom sprayer like this, those can be $300 and $400 up, even more than that. So this is I've got less than, the valve, that freaking valve costs just as much as my whole tank. So that valve was $15 and the hoses were $12. So I've got $60 in this, 20 maybe. I have to add it up. So I don't have much, less than $100. And I was able to build a neat little spray rig that'll work around here for us, help keep these goat heads at bay, man. It just feels kind of futile. I've gotten out here and I've really tried to not use any type of poison, but whenever they just go they just freaking go, man. And one seed produces, you know, another 100 plants. And so it just feels futile trying to do this by hand, or, you know, minimal stuff. Like I've tried vinegar and stuff, and these things are really hardy. So this is really just mainly that I'm using to try to keep these goat heads at bay. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and maybe you can build a rig like this. Just makes it a little easier whenever you can see it, and that's what I was trying to do, is find some videos on YouTube. I've seen where people actually build a spray rig 100% themselves using, you know, they still have to buy the little spray nozzles, but they'll use PVC pipes and stuff like that to actually build one. Dude, that spray bin was 20 bucks and I didn't have to build the thing. I just had to hook it up, so that was nice. But, and honestly, all the parts that you would buy in PVC and putting it together would probably equal $20. I guarantee it. And so I hope this was helpful. Hope to help you save some money and just live a more fruitful life.